In this video, you are going to learn about some errors that you would have encountered when you are trying to install some software components or packages on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10. So mostly when you are installing a new server, then you might have seen that GPG Check Failed errors are coming there when you want to update the packages. So this video, I try to install the software, then I try to update the repository package, then even I try to pull the repo from RHEL network. So there were many failed attempts, and then finally I was able to update the kernel. So these are the steps that I have mentioned here. And so these 6 steps I troubleshooted, and then I fixed GPG check failed errors. So this is what you're going to learn in this tutorial. So welcome to Cloud Siksha 365. My name is Pankaj Kumar, and I will be taking you through this exciting troubleshooting, that how to fix such GPG check failed errors if you ever encounter. So these errors are most common sometime, and we just need to do a bit of tweaks. So I'm just going to let you through those troubleshooting and the steps. When you install RHEL 10 on a new machine, then you might have seen issues with your system update or like updating packages. And then this is what I'm now going to show you here practically, that how to troubleshoot such issues. So it is going to have a great experience, because this GPG check failed sometimes really is very annoying when you want to update your application VM. So now the next is like what this GPG is in actual. So GPG, it stands for GNU Privacy Guard, and it is a security tool used to verify authenticity and integrity of data using cryptography. So what does it mean? It means that whatever software packages that you are downloading from the satellite server of RHEL or another repo references which are given within the repositories, then GPG ensure that you are downloading correct and legitimate software package. It is not tampered over the wire or over the internet when you are downloading it. So that integrity check is being done by GPG. So it's very important for your system security and for your updates. So this is what I'm just going to explain in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so all right, as soon as you are done with the installation, and now here you will see a pop-up, register your system. System is not registered. So when you see this, then I'm going to click now here, register system. Let's see what it does. Basically now, if I'm registered already with some account, then I have to make that login here, so that it is always authenticated when we try to update our system with the latest software packages, or even we want to install new packages, then this is very reliable. So I'm going to use my credentials here. Okay, so as my developer account, I'm trying to register here. Let's see, because with developer account only I have downloaded this here. Okay, all right, so it is now saying registration is successful. The system has been registered and software update has been enabled. Great. So this is important when you are working on standalone systems, but like in enterprise systems, I'm just adding it here. In enterprise systems, this is not needed, because then you have just one central satellite server setup, and through that you can get all your updates, and then you can push those with your configuration management systems to other systems within the network. But like since I'm testing it within this standalone RHEL 10 server, so that's why this was a mandatory process, because now I will be able to get all relevant updates on time within my server to keep it safe and secure. Okay, now it is time to just do a bit of testing. So what I want to see here is maybe just go to command shell, and I will just do sudo su root, and it will ask my password. And there I am. So I'm just willing to just see like DNF. Oh, let's first see. What if I do yum list update? Will it work? Yes, it is still working. So that means RHEL 10 is still providing backward compatibility to yum repository and package manager. But however, now we also have the latest one that is called as DNF. So DNF is also being used. So it is saying no matching packages to list, so nothing is there. Let us do DNF list update, and it is also doing the same thing. And if I now do, maybe let's see HDPD, then it is doing here. So like the simple it was a willing attempt. I just wanted to see how it goes, but yes, it is showing there that we have package HDPD available. If I want to see, maybe let's see Nginx. Yes, Nginx is also there. So this confirmed that I'm able to connect to Red Hat live repository, and I can download any part of kind of software, and even let's say DNS list kernel. Oh, sorry, this is not DNS, this is DNF. So you can still use yum, but I prefer that if we have latest software, then we should use latest one. And if I do now uname-a, let's see what it is showing here. So it is showing here 124.8.6.12, 124, and then 0.8, and here it is showing, here it is 6.12, 124, 47. So you see the difference here. This is the latest version is available. It is a little bit outdated, so let's at least update it. So DNF update, I will just simply use. And now it should update it. Yes, so it is showing here 5 packages, 213 packages to be upgraded, and it is a part of here. Now you see kernel module is updating. So this is important. Whenever you install new operating system within your network, the first thing always is to get the latest updates to keep your system secure. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm updating it here. We'll get the latest kernel, so that means my VM will be now up to date. Some time, and then we are ready to take our next steps, making or building new services with this new server. So that can be done as the next steps. Okay, so it is now asking whether I should install everything. So I will do yes, but before that I'm interested to see within this RHEL GUI, where can I increase the fonts. So probably this is the one. Let me see. Yes, so this is the one. Okay, so then at least all of you will be able to see bit wider text and clear as well, because earlier fonts were very small. So okay, so it is asking me to just import GPG key. I say yes, I trust Red Hat. Yes. And then now it is just going to install the required packages. Okay, however, I see here GPG check is failed. So I can try DNF clean, but before that I want to see now if my kernel is already updated or it's not updated. 124.8 and DNF list kernel, what was it? No, it is not updated. So let's try again. Before that I will clean it. DNF clean packages, and I will give another try because I'm getting here this error. You can remove cached GPG. Why it is saying it is failed, that is something I am curious to see. For this is not installed, failing back. I think maybe first let me check which release is there. Maybe if I can just try to see, and then that will help. So just made the command almost ready. Let's make it true, and then I will see what it is. So it is showing here Red Hat release is 10.1.16. Red Hat release end user license is also 10.1. Package Red Hat release note is not installed. Okay, so this is what is the output. Now let me check subscription manager update also. I think I have a command here and I will use it now. Let's see what it is showing. Release not set. Okay, so it is showing release not set, which is interesting to see. First clean the DNF cache, DNF, and then I want to clean so that at least I don't have any more cache remaining here. I will also clean var cache DNF. Let's delete it as well. Let's see what is the list enabled for repos. Okay, so it is showing me two lists here, which is coming for base operating system and app streams, which is enabled true. I think I need to search my RPM packages from the mounted CD. So first I will see what is the mount point. So mount point is run this. Okay, so then let me copy it and I will paste it here. Yes, and I want to find the package. And let's search for this. Oh, no. I name release. Let me see what it is coming up with this, otherwise I'll refine it a bit. Okay, I will make it a bit better. So let's make it Red Hat release. And since I'm looking for RPM, so let's make it like this. All right. So now I see here there are two releases already available here. One is 10.1.16 and this is also 10.1.16. And now I think I know what is the issue here. It is actually trying to get latest upgraded package. However, my OS is still referring to this old one. So this is the fix we have to do now. Okay, so problem is still there. Let's try to verify first. I will just verify what it is showing here. So it is showing here, it is 10.1.18. So I will not install it now. I will just do no here. And now I will just check what is there actually at the moment. So let's see. Okay, so see here, this is 10.1.18 and I have 10.1.16. So this is definitely what is now conflicting. All right, so then it is now confirming that there is definitely a conflict is between the versions. So now what I'm going to do, I will just install it, but without no GPG check, so that I have latest one. Now I have latest release repos. I will just double check. Now it is showing 18, which is good. And now let's do the cache clean and then I will give another try. So DNF clean all, and then var cache DNF. then DNF update again. Yes. Still going on. It's taking some time, so let it go. Finally, it is reaching there where it should be. Let's see now. It is asking for key update. Key is imported successfully. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Succeeded. Transaction check is succeeded now. Come on, one more step and then it should be there. Okay, so at least transaction check is also succeeded. Let's see it go further. And I see it is now updating all the required packages. So finally it is through. So this was really a conflict between the kernel version which was there, because when I installed it and now Red Hat has already released the latest one, so GPG check is always creating conflicts here. And I think I just try to showcase how we can resolve it. There are different troubleshooting steps that sometime we need to take. So I just followed those steps, and finally at the end, manual update didn't work. So then what I did, I just updated the latest release package and then cleaned the cache and then reinstalled again, and now it is working. So now it's a long list. It will take time. So we just need to wait. Okay, so now finally all 427 packages are installed. Final check is still going on, but at least I can see that all packages are installed and it is doing just the cache cleanup. And in few moments we shall have our latest kernel and all RHEL 10 modules updated. So this is the very first step, and very important step also. So for Linux system administrators, they must know how to get started with the latest or newer Red Hat releases. Because if you don't know these steps, then you will be just stuck on a very first security check, that is securing your operating system. So I hope this overview would have given you a very good deep dive how to secure your operating system, which is the starting point before you even start getting installed other required packages on your operating system. So stay tuned for other such technical deep dives, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Thank you very much. So I will just do a reboot now. Okay, let's go to the shell. This and uname. So you see here now the kernel version is already updated, kernel module is up to date. So this is what we intended to do. So this is always a thumb rule for Linux administrators: secure your operating system before you even get started with the next services. So maybe now if I want to make it a web server, then now I can do DNF install stpd. So I need to be root for this. Okay, now just if I want to start DNF install stpd, and then it should just connect to the package manager, and you see here it is asking, but this is not the intention at this moment. So this is all about getting your system ready. We have served the purpose. Thank you for watching this technical video, and stay tuned for many more such technical videos to come over. And please do like, subscribe and share my channel.